Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to share some thrilling leaks about Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL, set to be released in 2024. Get ready, because in this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Google's next-generation flagship. Google has once again failed to keep its devices under wraps. The leaked 30-second video of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has caused a stir when compared to the previous generation model, the Pixel 8. This video provides a detailed look at how the Pixel 9 Pro XL stacks up against its competitors. The leaks not only highlight the similarities and differences between the devices, but also give consumers a glimpse of what to expect from Google's latest offering. Google consistently refines its flagship designs, setting itself apart from its competitors. While last year's Pixel 8 Pro featured subtle design changes, the new Pixel 9 Pro XL takes a more radical approach in various design elements. Despite significant changes, both phones share commonality in their physical size. It seems the screen size will remain at 6.7 inches. The Pixel 9 Pro XL appears slightly thicker than its predecessor, sparking expectations for a larger battery capacity. Significant updates are expected in other areas such as the camera module, corners, and even the side buttons. The redesigned rear camera bar and rounded edges of the Pixel 9 Pro XL offer a fresh aesthetic compared to the boxy design of the Pixel 8 Pro. Google's willingness to experiment with new design elements is evident in the matte finish of the 9 Pro XL's camera module. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to come with a hefty 16GB RAM, aiming to elevate AI capabilities in the mobile industry. With its premium appearance, it is anticipated to carry a high price tag, potentially reaching $1,100 for the base model with 128GB storage. The top-tier variant, offering 1 terabyte of internal storage, could cost close to $600, posing a significant financial challenge even for the most devoted Google enthusiasts. Don't forget to share which model you prefer in the comments section. For more news and updates, be sure to follow our channel. Take care, and see you in the next video.